If you want to mirror a video screen in CapCut, or even flip it upside down, this guide will show you the fastest way to do it on desktop. Whether you are on Mac or Windows, the process is super simple, and you can do it in just a few clicks without any complicated editing. If this tutorial helps you out, go ahead and hit the like button, subscribe for more CapCut tutorials, and let's jump right in. First, open CapCut Desktop and import the video you want to edit. Once your project is ready, look down at the timeline and click on the clip you want to mirror. Make sure the clip is selected, because the mirror options will only appear once CapCut knows which video you want to edit. Now look at the toolbar directly above the timeline. You should see a mirror icon, usually shown as two triangles facing each other. Click that button, and CapCut will instantly flip your video horizontally from left to right. This is the easiest way to mirror a clip, and it is perfect if you want a reflected look, fix a camera orientation issue, or create a more stylized effect for your content. If you do not see the mirror button right away, don't worry, you can also right-click the clip in the timeline, choose Edit, and then select Mirror from the menu. That gives you the same result, just through a different path. So if one method is easier for you to remember, feel free to use that one every time. Now, one important thing to understand is that mirroring and flipping vertically are not the same thing. The mirror tool flips the footage horizontally, which means left becomes right, but if you want to turn the video upside down, you need to use the rotate option instead. To flip vertically in CapCut, click the rotate button twice until the clip has rotated 180 degrees. That will turn the video upside down. This is useful if you are trying to create a different visual style or correct footage that was recorded in the wrong orientation. So to recap, if you want a side-to-side flip, use mirror. If you want a top-to-bottom or upside-down effect, use rotate twice. Knowing the difference will save you time and help you choose the right edit for your project. And if you are trying to achieve a specific look, such as a split-screen reflection effect or fixing a mirrored camera image, the same tools can help you get there with just a few adjustments. CapCut makes it easy to experiment until the video looks exactly the way you want. If this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you do not miss more quick CapCut editing tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.